The drip feed availability feature allows you to limit the maximum rooms available for specific room types or date ranges for different channels. From the availability calendar, simply select the channel to which you want to apply the drip feed. Then select the restriction from the Rules menu. Next, we will set the drip feed restriction by clicking on Drip Feed. Select the dates and then the drip feed box under the date. You will see there are 3 options available in the drip feed restriction drop-down. Off, this indicates that the drip feed is not yet set. Displayed as OFF, it signifies that no drip feed is applied. Closed, this option allows you to push 0 inventory for the room type channel without reducing inventory. Allotment. This works like a counter and limits the number of bookings that can be made for that room type via channel. As bookings are received, the drip feed restriction is reduced. Number. This allows you to set the maximum rooms that are available on the channel for the set room type channel. Once all the changes are done, click on Save.